everyone. I'm trying to do a new intro, so I'm not going to say welcome back to my channel, but low-key welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video that I have not done in so long, and that is a night routine. So I'm really excited to do this here in Nashville. Some of the footage I feel like looks a little janky. Oh, there I am in a tub because I thought my camera could film at night. Turns out it can't, but bear with me. Let's hop right in. All right, so we've got Zoe down here, and at night we like to kind of let the dogs go to the bathroom, get a little fresh air. So tonight I took Zoe on the patio. She breathed in the fresh air while Dan, aka Daddy, was barbecuing. I feel like I made that sound creepy, but anyways, then I went inside and I like to turn on all of my, I call it my nighttime mood lighting. I plug in all my twinkle lights, I turn on the fireplace, diffusers, all of that jazz, and then I decided to have a pre-dinner little drink snack, and this is my Suja organic green juice. And then I made my dinner, which tonight consisted of veggie flatbread with arugula on top and a salad on the side. I actually made this recipe in a food video recently, so I will link that down below if you want to check it out. It's so good, and I ate it on a paper plate because I'm classy. Now tonight we were pretty exhausted. We had gone to the gym earlier that day, and we ended our night on the couch, or started our night really, because we ended up going up upstairs with the pups, and we watched This Is Us. I am late to this bandwagon, but I'm obsessed, and I was sobbing by the end of episode 1, just FYI. So then we head upstairs. Dan always brings in laundry for me to do because I hate the actual transportation of laundry from the laundry room to the bed. So Zoe watched as we transported laundry, and I set up the diffuser in my room, and tonight I used Northern Lights Black Spruce in my diffuser. And then we turned back on This Is Us, and Dan got to lay there like a little prince while I folded all the laundry. Just kidding, just kidding. Like I said, I really don't mind doing laundry. It's kind of therapeutic for me to like take inventory of everything we own and fold it up, put it away. So I did that, just did the laundry while we watched the show. Seriously, if you haven't watched This Is Us, I understand the hype around it now. The writers are brilliant, and I just cry every episode. So after I finished the laundry, we decided it was time to take a bath. We were super sore from the gym, and even though I don't really use candles very much anymore, I almost solely use diffusers. I do like lighting candles sometimes because I like the little flicker of the candle. So I lit this candle from Target, and we decided to use our Epsom salt that I order off Amazon. I actually took 2 vitamin C before I hopped in the bath, and then we hopped in the bath. Ooh, I'm gonna link my bathtub, by the way, down below. So many of you guys have been asking about it because it's acrylic and it's really light, and we just set it in our shower, so I'll have that linked. Side note, baths are one of my favorite times of day with Dan because we just get to sit and talk and chill and be together. And then it was time to wash my hair. So I used my current obsession, which is this Young Living Lavender Mint shampoo. I love it. It feels tingly and amazing on my scalp, and everything that lavender and mint sounds like it would be together, it totally is. So I scrubbed my hair. I really give my head a nice scrub when I'm washing my hair. It encourages hair growth, gets your hair nice and clean. And then even though this looks like different packaging, it's just the older packaging, but it's the same lavender and mint, but it's the daily conditioner. So I use that in my hair, but I only pretty much go from like my ears down. And while that was sitting in my hair, I shaved my legs. I feel like this is kind of a creepy shot of me shaving my legs. But there we go, guys. I really thought this footage was gonna look magical. I don't think I accomplished that. So then I used my Young Living Orange Blossom cleanser, which is honestly my favorite cleanser like ever. I really love Purity Made Simple by Philosophy, but I love that mostly for just cleaning off my makeup. But this I really love for cleansing my skin because it leaves my skin literally feeling amazing. So once I washed out my conditioner, I hopped out of the shower, put my hair up in a towel. I know everybody says not to do that. I always do it. And then I used another current obsession of mine. This is the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. And it's kind of like, I heard Ingrid Nilsson say this recently, it's like a combination of a serum with a like traditional facial essence, kind of watery. Feels amazing, super hydrating. And after I applied that to my face, I used my jade roller, which is, like I said, another, or not like I said, like I'm saying now, another obsession. And I rolled out my face. Jade is believed to be good for the skin, but I also just believe in massaging your skin. I think it's great to get blood flow to your face. So I mostly massage in upward strokes, and I massaged my whole face with my jade roller, and then I used my France L'Or moisturizer that I got from my facialist back in LA, and I mixed it with frankincense and lavender oil, and I just rubbed that all over my face and my chest. And I typically do I aim for 1 drop, but it's usually 2 because I can't really control how much comes out of the bottle. So then I rub it all over my face. My skin feels amazing at this point, by the way. Then I used my Perricone MD Cold Plasma Eye Cream. I have been a fan of Perricone for so long. I love his products. And then it was time to brush my teeth. And I do have my Thieves toothpaste in there, but I was all out. I don't know why I kept the container. So I used my Sensodyne toothpaste, and I scrub-a-dub-dubbed my teeth. Wow, look at me go, brushing my teeth. Wow. I always try to look very composed on camera. I think I look a lot more like a hot mess in real life when I'm doing these things. Then I used my favorite self-tanner at the moment. This is the Tan Luxe self-tanner. It's completely organic, vegan ingredients, and I think that the tan that it gives is like amazing, super even, and I think very natural looking. And then I used my Fresh Black Tea moisturizer. This is their age-defying body cream, and I used that on my arms and a little bit on my chest and shoulders. And after that, I took my hair out of my towel and I dabbed off any excess moisture, and I used my Unite 7-second leave-in conditioner detangling spray. This stuff is amazing. Fleur de Force introduced this to me years ago, and I've been obsessed ever since. And then I used my pink detangling wet brush. I brushed my hair out. Pro tip, start brushing your hair from the bottom up. Don't start from the top down. It helps to not rip your hair. I'm a big fan of not ripping your hair. So then I used my Progessence Plus oil, which is like a hormone balancing oil from Young Living. And I used a little bit of Valor on my chest, both for the scent and yeah, it's kind of just great emotional support. That's what they call it. I love it. And after that was it, guys. I went to bed. I didn't get that on camera, but that's my night routine. I'm actually uploading a morning routine. I honestly think I like morning routines better than night routines, so that's coming up soon. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. All right, bye, guys.